Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher. This is our first try on video of 2026. I am at Walmart and can you believe it? They have swimsuits out already. Stay tuned, watch the full video. I am going to review and show you all the swimsuits that Walmart has out. We are going to talk about how they fit on a plus size curvy body. I will have my measurements linked in the description box so that it makes your shopping experience a little bit easier than what I had to deal with. Some of these swimsuits, the material is stretchy, others not so much, some were a little rough, but we are going to talk about it. Everybody is loved and appreciated here on my channel. There will be no body shaming here. My body is not perfect, and I still wake up every day and try to love and appreciate myself. If you are interested in learning how to be more body positive and be more confident in your skin, stick around, watch the full video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I love to talk about fashion and try on different things and see what's out there and what looks good on a plus size body that is curvy. As a girly that loves to go on vacation, I have to stay ready with the trendy styles and the latest fashion so that I can be the best presentable self that I want to be. And if you are a plus size girly, you know and understand it can be difficult at times to find clothing that is not so revealing, that is not so granny-ish, if that's a word, and still be stylish. So stick around and let's do this, Glam Crew. Okay, Glam Crew. Let's start out with showing you what my Walmart selection was looking like and also pay attention to the pricing because I have noticed the prices on the tags are no longer there. And some Walmarts in my area, they have digital signs and the prices change all the time. So depending what time of the day you are shopping, what part of the year it is, if it's a holiday, if it's inflation, whatever they have going on, I do not know how these stores are doing this new stuff now, but the prices are changing all the time. So this Walmart location, they have the prices listed and it's not digital, but the tags do not have pricing on them. So in the video, you will see me showing you the tag. That's just me simply showing you the brand and the size. All of the swimsuits that I try on in this video is a size large. Now, if it is a two-piece or if the bottoms is separate, the bottoms I'm always going to get a extra large because I am more hippie. I have a little bit more bottom, so I have to get my bottoms a little bit bigger or it'll be cutting me and may be a little uncomfortable on the bottom. And then I will get my tops in a large. And since I have recently lost a little bit more weight, your girl's about 220 now, my chest area is beginning to sag just a little bit more than usual. So a large fits me just right, and I can even get away with a medium if it is a little stretchy. So this is their selection. As you can see, their sizing goes up to like a 2 and a 3X in the store. 2X, 3X in the store. And I like how the dressing room is open, it's clean, it's spacious, so you can try it on. But I know personally, when I was a bigger girl, trying on clothes in the store was uncomfortable for me. It was embarrassing, it was scary, and it was not something I liked to do. So now I'm getting more comfortable trying things on in the store. I look in the mirror. I move around and just make sure that I'm fully satisfied with what I see before I buy it. And that's what these try on hauls are all about. Showing you ways to be confident, feel more comfortable in your skin, feel more comfortable in different clothings, and just figure out what style you prefer. It might be a color that you like best. It might be the way a style fits or the cut. You just kind of got to try it on and figure out what works best for you. But if you have a body type similar to mine, then I hope this video helps you and it makes your journey a little easier when shopping. So this first swimsuit, I did find a few pieces that match with it so you can have a little extra coverage, like the skirt and the shorts that I'm going to show you with it. This also came with a two-piece set, or not came with, but there's a two-piece set that you could buy that looks just like the one piece. If you are confident and bold enough to rock it, girl, do it. Whatever makes you happy, whatever makes you feel comfortable and confident, go ahead and do it. This is what it looks like with this skirt, and this skirt is really pretty. It gives the extra coverage in the back. Ooh. And this skirt, I got a extra large. I love the little beaded designs on it, and the little layering is cute. It's breathable. The swimsuit does have a little bit of like ruffling in it, like textured material, and the material feels pretty soft. So I love this swimsuit. I am going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. I wish there was more support in the chest area. None of these swimsuits gave me the support in the chest area that I would like in a swimsuit. So please drop in the comments where you go to get swimsuits that have more support in the chest, because this was not helping me at all. Where are you ladies going? Let me know. Where do your sister go? Where do your auntie go? Ask your mother. Where are y'all getting swimsuits that have more support in the chest? Thank you. Now, this little cover up was really cute. It has this beautiful knitted design. There is the sizing of what I got. You can button it up, show a little razzle dazzle if you'd like. Now the arms was kind of tight on my arms. I wouldn't say I have bigger lunch lady arms, but my arms are bigger than I guess a normal average person maybe. I think they're a little bit bigger, but again, I still love them and appreciate them. This shirt was a little tight on the arms, so if you want to go up and have a more of an oversized fit or just a little bit of a looser fit but still somewhat fitted, then go ahead and get an extra large. I have on a large and I am a 36 double D bra size. Let me know what you think about this outfit in the comments. I will give this outfit a solid 10 out of 10. The brown looks cute, really beachy vibes. It's giving Tulum vibes. I think Tulum, yeah, giving Tulum vibes. You can bend over, you can shake, 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 shake. Yeah, and nothing is going to be popping out. So if you are going to be out doing your thing and don't want to just keep pulling your skirt down and being exposed, get this. You will not be disappointed. Okay? Let's head on and try out the next little pieces that we got, because we got some more swimsuits. Let's look at this olive green. Look, I'm loving myself in the mirror, okay? A cute outfit will have you feeling like Beyonce, okay? Nia Long, Halle Berry, Halle Berry, whoo, Halle Berry. Okay, back to the video. All right, Glam Crew. So here we have this beautiful olive green, lime green. Let's go with olive green. No, we're gonna go with lime green, okay? And it has this little, on the shoulder, a little brown ring cut out. I love that. I love that It has just a little bit of a low rise on the chest, but not too much. So this could be a mommy swimsuit. You can wear this out with the family. Nothing's going to spill out. You can wear this on a vacation, girls trip. This is an overall good swimsuit. The straps are adjustable, although they were like twisting up and I couldn't figure out how to twist them straight. And then the padding in it, it has light padding. The padding was looking flimsy. I didn't like the flimsy padding. There is the adjustable straps. And like the padding makes you look real bumpy, y'all. So I wasn't feeling that. I wasn't feeling that. And for $28, this swimsuit really is kind of like a basic swimsuit. You could probably find this somewhere else, but if you need some quick swimsuits for vacation and you're in store, go ahead and grab this. And it also came in a two-piece. And I was going to try on this two-piece, but then I realized the top definitely would not have no support for your girl, like none. There's no underwire. There's like no nothing. The padding was just flimsy. No. And then I thought maybe I could tie the tie a little tighter, the bow, but it's just there for decorations. Y'all, I didn't breastfeed a whole child, so the girls is doing what they naturally do with gravity. So this is what it is, and this swimsuit didn't officially make me feel confident, but it is affordable. Let me know in the comments what you think about the color. It is pretty soft, even with the rib texture. It's pretty soft, so I give Walmart that. Let's head over to the next one. I was excited. I was super excited about this blue. I just knew this blue was going to be that girl. And honestly, it failed me a little bit. I didn't like how it looked on my skin. I just thought it would make my skin pop out a little bit more. But overall, I like the fit. It is snatching me in. I don't know if it's because it's a large, but the padding looks good. The padding is not flimsy. It's really supportive. And it's like full coverage on the chest. And then the straps are not adjustable. So if you are tall, it is going to feel like it's pulling a little bit on your shoulders. So it was tight pulling on my shoulders. And the back has like a nice little scoop. Now, I have a swimsuit just like this. It is a polo swimsuit. And y'all, when I say I got that swimsuit at Macy's like 10 years ago. I still have it and I still love it. At one point, I could not wear it because I gained so much weight. But now I'm about to pull it out the closet and try it on because it looks just like this, but a little brighter. I think that's where my next stop will be. I don't know if Macy's has their swimsuits out just yet, but I usually can find affordable swimsuits in Macy's. You just have to look really hard because sometimes Macy's can be a bit expensive. Now, Walmart is where you can find affordable and trendy styles, but good quality, definitely check out Macy's. This swimsuit material was not as stretchy as you can see in the thigh area, so size up on this one. Overall, I'm satisfied with the quality that Walmart has, especially if you need a last minute swimsuit. Let me know in the comments, Glam Crew, and thank you for watching.